All right, the procedure for finding the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix is quite different from that of a 3 by 3 matrix. So in finding the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix, all you have to do is to interchange the elements of the leading diagonal and interchange the sign, change the sign of the elements of the other diagonal. So when you're looking for the leading diagonal of a matrix, what you have to do is to move from the top left. This is the left and this is the top left. You move from the top left towards the bottom right. So this is the bottom right, this is the top left. So this, what we have here is the leading diagonal. So what you have to do to find the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix is to interchange the element of the leading diagonal. So in a case like this, what you have to do is to bring -5 to the position of 3 and bring 3 to the position of -5. So you will be having -5 taking the position of 3 and 3 taking the position of -5. And then the second procedure is that for the other diagonal, which is this one right here, this is the other diagonal. What you have to do there is to change the signs of each element of that diagonal. So we can see right here that in this place we have +1. This is +1 here. So for you to find the adjoint of A, you would have to change this to -1. So you change the sign of all the elements in the other diagonal. In this place we have -2. So you have to change the sign from -2 to +2. So this is going to be the adjoint of matrix A. So one more time, what you have to do, you locate the leading diagonal, which is the diagonal that stems from the top left to the bottom right. You will interchange the element. So -5 takes the position of 3, 3 takes the position of -5. Then for the other diagonal, you will change the sign. So where you have positive, you change it to negative, and where you have negative, you change it to positive. All right, so you can pause the video right now and try and find the adjoint of this matrix. All right, to find the adjoint of this matrix, all you have to do is to interchange the element of the leading diagonal and change the sign of the other diagonal. So this here is the leading diagonal of this matrix A. And the elements is -1 and -4. So in finding the adjoint of this matrix, what you have to do is to make the wherever you saw where -1 is, you will bring in -4 there, and where -4 is, you'll be bringing -1 there. So you will have something like this. And then for the other diagonal, which is this is the other diagonal, you will be changing their signs. So here we have -3, that will change to +3. And here you have -2, that will change to +2. And this gives us the answer for the adjoint of A. So it is important to note that one of the main uses of adjoint is in finding the inverse. So one of the main application of the adjoint of a matrix is always when you are trying to find the inverse of a matrix. Now I would love you to try this question you have right here in finding the adjoint of this 2 by 2 matrix A. And let me know your answer in the comment section. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.